All right, we are back. What it do, baby? Hood stacking, compound, turbo having, and oh, dude, he's loving it, loving it. Tyler got us breakfast. Is it always windy and cold out here? It's always windy. Don't know why. We're out here, week of the Heartbreaker. Gonna try to give you guys daily uploads. Is the quality gonna be as good as the previous videos? I don't know, because I'm gonna really be trying to throw these out and do work at the same time. But God, it looks like someone went skidding through here. It really does. It really does. But we're here. What we're doing today is we're gonna clean up the rest of the parking, and then we're working on like the facility amenities, make sure the bathrooms are right. We gotta get a light post up, make sure all the lighting's working. We got everything ready. Gotta get it ready for the Heartbreaker. So we're excited. We've got some equipment out here. Got the 57.5 out here, do some stuff, and then we want to talk to you guys about this badass mulcher from Laughlin. Instead of hauling stuff off, we're just gonna mulch it. I have a drum mulcher, which I like. Laughlin came out with a brand new disc mulcher, and this thing is insane. Bro, how insane is this attachment? They're extreme duty disc mulcher. We're about to cut some shit up, and I cannot wait. So what we're gonna do is get this stuff unloaded and get to work, baby. It's so scary. That's at idle. God, that thing is terrifying. That thing is terrifying. Bro, that thing is scary. That thing is scary. All right, so game plan, what we got. Tyler's got a dump trailer. There should be some scrap metal over there. I'm gonna load that up with scrap metal and you can take the scrap. We're gonna put all the trees and stuff in just piles and then mulch them. So we have to haul the trees off. This thing is terrifying. I'm ready to see this thing. That was standard flow at idle and it was already scary. Here, pick it up. All right, hold on, I'm gonna stand over here. All right, put it in high flow. Is that wide open? Okay, that is scary. Bro, look at the air, it's moving. Bro, I want to throw something in it to see what happens. Bro, it's still flying. This is so dangerous. This thing is it's absolutely insane. Pick it up and pick it up like this. So we can see the bottom of it? Yeah. Look at that. God, dog. That thing is about to tear some shit up. Oh my God. Bro, this thing is so scary. It is an absolute beast. All right, we're gonna head over there and start knocking shit out. All right, in the Kubota here, little 57.5. Got our heat. We're gonna turn that sucker on because it's kind of chilly. It was not this cold this morning. This thing right here, an absolute unit. There goes Ant. He's like, I'm gonna go through the middle there and tag both trucks. Man, we are just fired up. I'm fired up. I don't know about you guys. I'm fired up. I forgot my drone. I forgot my other camera. And I forgot my GoPro. So I'm useless today. So we're filming with the iPhone, baby. All right. First little rip. He's tagging something big. Oh, it's chipping it. I think he's a little scared of it. That thing is eating, dude. That thing is eating. Oh! Oh my God. All right, Ant is putting in work. Got the Laughlin mulcher. The disc mulcher is insane. It is just so barbaric. It is crazy. I mean, he's just making shit disappear off the face of the earth. All right, getting Tyler loaded up here. Almost got one scrap pile. I don't know what we're gonna do. I don't know if I could fold those in half. I might have to fold those in half to put them in the truck. Ant was running the new Laughlin Fab disc mulcher. Talk to the people about the new Laughlin Fab disc mulcher.
Badass.
Is this the baddest attachment you've ever run?
Yeah, it's pretty badass. I mean, it's...
Have you hit something and wouldn't cut?
No.
No.
No. I mean, it's pretty big logs.
Yeah.
Like, it just chops it to pieces.
Dude, insane. This thing is insane. It really is insane. It's absolutely terrifying. Is it scary to run?
Yeah, it jerks the whole machine around. When it grabs the tree, it just chops it to pieces to nothing.
Dude, literally to nothing. So it's a little bit different than the disc mulcher I have, where the disc mulcher you can set it down and backdrab. This is just straight up cutting shit down and getting it out of here. Look at the cups on it. The teeth are just insane, dude.
You wouldn't think the way it looks, it wouldn't cut that good, but it's doing the job.
You could just drive through anything. I guarantee you could cut one of those trees down.
Maybe, yeah. I mean, it'd be scary as hell. It jerked the hell out of the machine. But it cut it.
That's badass. All right, my man Ant is getting his mulching on. Thing's pretty wild. We're trying to mulch this entire pile instead of hauling it off to scrap. And as you can see, it's just chipping stuff, throwing shit everywhere. I mean, look at that. It's literally insane. Literally insane. Oh, I think he's got something stuck in it. Yeah, my man Ant is putting in work with the Laughlin mulcher. It is literally just chewing up that dirt pile. All right, y'all, here's our lunchtime status report. We got our last load of scrap loaded up. We piled it in there, trying to get some of this stuff smoothed out. We're gonna hope we don't get any bad weather or rain before, because it's gonna be additional parking. It's going to be dirt until the grass grows back in, but there's nothing you can do here but get all this stuff gone. As you can see, started chipping some stuff up, so maybe it'll be a nice wood chip stuff. The Laughlin brush cutter is absolutely insane. I took it to this pile, and it was just tearing it up. But we're going to get rid of that, get rid of this, and then removing any of these farm implements, tractor stuff. We're putting it all down by the end. So this will all be overflow parking, which will be very nice. We're gonna have spectator parking all through here as well. Some spectator overflow parking on the other side, racer parking over there, and racer parking on that side as well. So got a lot of stuff going on. The bleachers have been a big topic of conversation. We do have some nice new-ish, new to us, aluminum bleachers at Darlington. We haven't brought them up here yet, but when we do, they will be here. And in the meantime, we are putting new lumber on the existing bleachers. So that's what we're doing, and we're just chipping away, getting everything ready for this weekend. We got a whole pile. That whole pile behind me is gone. We mulched that. It is spinning up the Laughlin Extreme Duty brush cutter. And I don't really like where I'm sitting, but you're about to watch this thing go to work. Dude, it's insane. Back up and get some more R's with it. Look at that. God, that thing's crazy, dude. Dude, my man Ant is just making trees disappear. As my boy Richie would say, it's a bad day to be a tree. That came high speed in front of me. Probably not the best spot to be in. Oh, I'm needed. If it's too big, it just won't eat it. Look, and then it's like this. All right, afternoon, sun's coming out. The temperature's coming up. We're getting our parking area all cleaned up. Look at it over there. Once we move those couple piles of stuff, we're gonna have one pile at the end right where Tyler's truck is. Right there, we're gonna have a pile for the time being. Getting it all cleaned up, looking really good. Everyone's busting ass over here. What we got going on over here?
Huh?
What do we got going on over here?
The A function to the L line.
Pro AV. That's what's
This
going
is
on.
Pro AV. No, not a lot of people know that, but
Yeah.
it's where it all started.
AI, electrical camera.
And
Yeah.
You see your damn heartbeat through your sweater 20 miles away.
all right, we had a downed soldier here. So what is that? Is that the speakers? Is that why I couldn't hear you down there?
Huh?
Look at Chris is literally doing this. Like he's got the mic in his back pocket. He's just
DJ Khaled.
ready to rock.
Put your finger on that real quick.
No, I'm all right. I don't do any low voltage.
Like that.
No low voltage here. Look at
Not low voltage, it's 70 volts.
that. No high voltage.
Don't tell John that.
I do no voltage.
That's real nasty.
Oh, look at this guy. Little twin turbo F-150. Dude. We're getting it done.
I gotta get my light base.
Wrapping up another day. Look at this. We get these two piles out of here. We got parking for days. We're gonna have to go and move that pile all the way to the end. But this is significant. This is a significant amount of parking.
Yeah.
How's it been operating all day?
Good, good.
I got
Fell
videos.
asleep?
Talk about your operating skills.
Pretty good. I think they're pretty good.
I had you operating the damn brush cutter.
I think
All right, just got Tyler loaded up. That's how you load a trailer, right there. Bro, how funny is that? Dude, that thing's definitely got some weight to it. Bro, look at that. We're driving Ant's truck with the hood stack. It's so funny. Let's see if I can foot brake it some. So funny, dude. Look at Tyler. Oh, dude, that shit's so funny. Oh my god. Oh yeah, all the way up there, brother. Like a kid. Oh yeah. Yeah, about 1 or 2 more times, and we're done for the day, brother. All right, guys, wrapping up the day here. Didn't get a lot of B-roll. Didn't get a lot of drone footage. I got 0 drone footage actually. We've just been working, trying to get this parking area all cleaned up and ready. We tore up some grass. I'm not happy about it. Don't want to tear up any grass, but it's kind of wet. It did dry out a lot today, which is really good. We're excited about that. We have some stuff here that needs to be hauled off. We're gonna get around to that, but we got this overflow parking area. There's one pile left we have to move, and then we're gonna go and I'm gonna run my mulcher over it and back drag and try to really smooth everything out. But man, you can park a lot of cars here. This is very good. Big shout out to Eddie for letting us do this. We're going over here, cleaning everything up, trying to get everything nice looking. It'll be nice once the grass grows in and we can mow it a few times. So right now it's gonna be a little dirty. We're gonna try to keep it blocked off, no one driving through it when it is wet. We don't want anyone getting stuck, but man, look at that. Well, those trees right there will probably take out, leave the pines. It's a little ditch right there. It's got a little log that blocks that off, but man, it's coming around nice. It's a lot of work, a lot more work than you would expect, than I expected, but we're chipping away at it and we're getting down to it. All right, it's the next morning. You guys got a little bonus footage. We're over here filling up the equipment. Me and Big Ant. What are you doing, dude? Oh, you got your battery in the box?
Yeah.
Look at that. Getting the equipment filled up. We got just a little bit more. We got one pile we got to move right there. And then just some grading. And we should be good to go. So we're excited. A little foggy morning out here. We got a lot of stuff to do. A lot of work to do everywhere. And we're getting it done. We're getting it done. I am going to end this video. I'm gonna hop on my computer, edit this, try to get this to you guys out for noon, and then I'm gonna hop in the equipment and keep working while it's uploading. I do want to let you guys know, it's very, very, very important. We're getting our sponsor boards printed. I don't know if you guys can see. You can't. Oh yeah, you can. We got all the boards ripped down. Okay. So I'll give it to you straight up how it is. I'll put the Facebook post I made on the side of my face as well. Sponsor boards are down. We're getting the new ones printed today and tomorrow. So the way it works, we have one lane sponsor available, we have one tower sponsor available, and then we have a bunch of the burnout boards available. If you guys are interested, your company's interested, $5,000 for the lane, $2,500 for the tower, $1,250 for the burnout boards. That's pretty much the rundown on it. So if you guys are interested, get with me, send me an email, lsnastyllc@gmail.com. Just send me your logo. We handle the boards. We put everything up. We want to have it full for this weekend. We want to have your company out there, and then you get all the advertising on the YouTube channel, all our socials as well. So be sure to check that out. If you guys have a company that's interested, send me an email. Digital payment. We make it easy. You can get your receipt, advertising, expense it, whatever you got to do, and we can make it happen. So be sure to check us out, and we'll see you in the next upload.